Alright guys, I ain't made too many videos lately, just been busy, but wanted to show the one car that MMX posted a while back, and Procharged picked it up and posted on their social media. I'll show you the videos first, and we'll talk about a few things at the end of the video. Alright guys, this is the car that's was on the channel a while back, and me putting it all together and everything else. He is back in. We've done a transmission bypass block, got rid of the thermostat, and sent the old fuel pump assembly back to MMX to get the revised version. We'll talk about that in a second. But this is a 2023 Charger Scatpack 392 Orange Edition. Started as a 392 base, done a 426 kit, cam, 6.1 intake, ported intake, Hellcat throttle body, D1X Procharged, race intercooler, race bypass valve, 1440 injectors, ported heads, headers, you name it, built transmission, suspension, the whole 9 yards. Started out, we was just going to keep it around 750, then we just kept adding to it. Had the car here a couple months or so and built it. Also on a drag radial. So this has MMX's soon to be released Paul Swift management fuel system. This is the very first public car that it was installed on, that they sold to me, because I have an account with MMX, and I'm, so this is basically, we put it on this car and tested it out. The only other car that it's been on that they've been doing a lot of R&D on is Byron's car at MMX, that they was doing a lot of R&D on. The kit should be releasing soon, so keep an eye out on MMX's website. But I just sent the pumps out, the pump assembly out, to get the revised version. We're going to put it back in, and like I said, I'm doing a couple little things and oil change and all that stuff. So, but this car, as you've seen on the dyno, in 95-degree heat. Car is on pump E85, by the way. 95-degree heat with the air filter on, The car made 980 back to back, with the air filter and tube off, with a bell mouth on the blower. No other change. The car made 1,083. And that is in 95-degree heat. On a cooler day like fall time or something, that would have been 1,100 wheel all day long. If not just a touch over 1,100. And the blower is still 500 RPM under its max blower speed rating. So in other words, we could have swapped this pulley, dropped down one size, and probably got between, if it's a cool day, between 1170, 1200 would be tough, but it would be right under that, right around 1180 to 1200 range on a very cool day if we was to push it very hard. But you know, customer's goals was met. He was only looking for 950 to 1,000 wheel. I exceeded that. So, but as you've probably seen, this car's been all over social media. It's got 130-some thousand views just from my business page. But just wanted to make a closeout video because I never got the chance to. Just been busy, you know, trying to build everything up, doing cam jobs, doing this, doing that, engine jobs, you name it. So, like I said, I've got my car covered up. I ain't even had it out this year, so a couple times, that's been it. But just wanted to make that. Also wanted to put on there, guys, all my stuff is tuned by Brent at DTP Racing. I've worked with him for years, even at, you know, the other shop that I work for. I tunes my car, tunes just about every car I do. He has a real high reputation with the Mopar stuff, even the Fords also, and some GM stuff. But yeah, use him for all my tuning. I mainly use all Modern Muscle Extremes parts, have for years, even before I started doing this kind of stuff for a living. Been a mechanic my whole life. Got out of it for a long time and had to go back in it, and I went in on it on the performance side, which I've always worked on performance stuff, you know, personal cars, just wasn't for a living up until, you know, the past 4 or 5 years. I started doing it for a living. So yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Like I said, you can follow me on my business page. And, you know, and one thing I wanted to point out, you know, on my car, I have a P1X on it, 392 forged. You guys seen it on the channel many times. Still need a built transmission. Just haven't got around to it this year. Just been busy with other things and whatnot. But my car, when it's turned up, makes over 900 with a little P1X, and I can still throw more timing at it and probably get it closer to 950 to 970 tops with a P1X. So that's just one of the reasons I like Procharged. Plus the drivability is better. That's going to be it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.